Besides our large selection of standard black power cords, we also carry colored power cords in 4 different colors: blue, green, red, and white. The most common application for colored power cords is to easily identify equipment. For example, if you're operating a larger server, you can color code your different servers. This will prevent you from accidentally disconnecting the wrong equipment. You can also use it to identify different components in the same rack. Firewalls can be one color, Exchange servers another, and so on. The options are limitless. This is a C14 to C19 colored power cord. It features an IEC C14 connector on one end and an IEC C19 connector on the other. It is available in blue, green, red, or white, and is most commonly used to connect a server to a PDU. For all your power needs, choose Show Me Cables.